Hello everyone, my name is Love Chisom. On today's video, I will be showing you how to make this beautiful bubble gown with an illusion net down on the down part and in the pocket. Okay, so this is just a simple tutorial. I have videos on how to cut a bubble gown. So we are going to cut out our bubble gown and start fixing what is needed to be fixed. I hope I get the English. Okay, so fold your fabric into 4. Then fold your fabric by 4. Please iron it so that you will have a borderline that will help us to fix our pocket. So fold your fabric by 4, measure out your bubble gown and cut it out. I have many videos on how to, about 2 or 3 videos on how to cut a bubble gown here. You can go and watch it so that you learn how to cut it. Okay, they are beginners friendly. So if you want to cut the pocket together, from your shoulder come down by 18 inches, then from the 18 inches come down by 8 inches. How to insert your, that is the space to insert your hand, then curve it to your favorite shape. Okay, so right here we have cut it out. Give the pocket any shape that you want. Okay, so we have cut it out. The next thing we are going to do is to cut out the back neckline, which I'm pointing there, then remove the back and then cut out the front neckline. Okay, then we are going to start other things. We start making our nets, making our gathers on our net. So right here, this is my net. I made use of 12 yards of net here, 6 for the front and 6 for the back. So and the nets are in 2 layers. So for your 6 yards of net, just fold it and measure out 11 inches by depth. The way I put my tape now, 11 inches. Now we are going to cut it straight. Okay, that full 6 yards, you are going to cut it straight. Make the first gathers, then cut out the second one and make the second gather. That is there for the 2 layers I'm talking about. Now you're going to get your needle and thread. Okay, make sure you measure the down part of your gown. So whatever you have there, you're going to use it to cut out your thread that will be fixing on your needle. Exactly what, if you have 40 there, make sure your thread is 40. Now you start gathering. Okay, by the time you are done gathering, you see that you have exactly the measurement on the down part of your dress where you add the net. I don't know if you are getting me. Okay, so I'll show you how to do your gathers now. So to run your gathers, the thread and needle that I told you to get ready. So you are going to knot it. This is my thread and needle. You are going to knot it here. This is the one that I've done already. This is the one I've gathered already. After knotting it, let me show you how to do it. So let us continue. If you are not understanding me, just watch what I am doing. Okay, so right here we are going to start. My thread was misbehaving, so I tried to fix it. So right here we are going to start gathering it. So this is it. This is what you'll be doing. This is how to gather. Even on my fabric, this is how I do it. I don't make use of machine to do my gathers. So now for the down part of your gown, I said you should measure. That is the place you are going to add your net. You measure the front. If you have 40 or 50 inches, make sure your thread is 40 of that 50 inches, so that by the time you gather, you have exactly the same thing. Now you fix on your front. So I have 2 layers, so I'm going to fix the first one, fix the second one for the front, do the same thing for the back. So both of them, I'm going to gather it like this. Okay, so that is what I mean. So after gathering it, I will show you how to fix it. Okay, just you arrange it and then you start fixing. If you have watched this video to this extent, thank you very much. I so much appreciate you. If this is your first time of coming across my video, you are welcome. So right here, this is it. I'm done gathering it. Okay, so now I'm going to get my fabric. So this is the first one that I did. This is the first layer that I did. If you can see, it's not full. Okay, because I want it full. So right now I'm going to arrange it so that I can be able to put the one that I've gathered now and I will sew. So just watch closely. So this is it. After arranging it like this, I will take it to my sewing machine and then I will run a stitch on it. Then I will show you how and what it looks like. Okay, just be careful. Take your time on this one. Just calm down and do it. So this is it. This is what it looks like. I've done the front, so this is the back. It's the same thing that I did. So right here, you are going to trim it. Okay, make sure you trim it so that everything will be equal and neat. So the trimming will make it to be equal and appears very neat. Okay, those nets that you used to see online, and they will be look so fine. So this is it. This is how to do it. So after the trimmings, you are going to cut out 2 inches strap for the front, 2 inches of the illusion net for the front pocket. So I'll show you how to pleat it in. Just long strap of 2 inches or 3 inches, depending on your preference. So this is the pocket. This is how I cut out the pocket, 8 by 8. I cut out my pocket 8 by 8. Okay, so this is it, 8 inches on the 4 corners there. They are 8. So I'm going to show you how to pleat the. Now you go to your ironing table and iron that, the upper part, the place you used to insert your hand. You're going to iron it, fold it in and iron it. Use your this thing, hemming gum, and do it. So I'm going to show you how to pleat it in. Just plait the 2 inches or 3 inches strap, long strap that you cut out. Just be pleating it in and be sewing it on your machine. Go to your sewing machine, just pleat it. You're going to pleat it for the 3 sides. Okay, just pleat it around. On the upper side you leave it, so that, because that is where you insert your hand from. So that is exactly what I did. I hope you understand what I am saying. So this is it. After that, I will show you how to put it on how to fix it on your fabric, on the front parts. Okay, after do it to the second one. So this is how to fix it on your fabric, on the front part of your gown. Remember, I said you should iron your gown, so this is where you make use of it. Now come down by your waist measurement, 18 inches or 17 inches, depending on what your waist is. So from the center, the place you ironed, look at it. So you come out by 2.5 inches on that 18 inches that you came down from your shoulder. Come down by 18 inches. So on both sides, 2.5 on both sides. Now when you are placing your pocket should start from that 18 inches down. Then that 18 inches, and it must start from the 2.5 inches from the 18 inches. Okay, so this is my 2.5 inches. I came down by 18 inches, and then on the both sides I went in by 2.5 inches. Now I'm going to place it. This is after fixing your net. After running around your net, fixing your net on your pocket. This is when you do this one. Now you pick up your matching thread and sew. Make use of your pin it, go to your sewing machine and sew it. Then join your shoulders together and close your dress. So for the side pocket, I let her remove it, please. For the side pocket, I let her remove it. I did not make use of it again. Okay, so, and remember to turn your neck with your facing or bias, whichever one you like. Okay, now close it, fold your sleeve, and that is it. So let me show you the final results. This is the final results of our dress. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for staying with me here, for your help, for your views. Thank you for everything. Okay, so this is the final result. Enjoy. Bye.